Okay, so yesterday's discussion was that how Sukanya's father, King Sharyati, doubt about the chastity of Sukanya, and then the doubt was cleared. And today, because what happened that Chevan Muni made a Somrasa available for Ashwini Kumaras. Indra became angry out of that. So that section is today, 24 onwards, 24 to 26. Indra becomes angry for giving Somrasa to the Ashwini Kumaras. Somene yajayan viram graham somasya chagrahit asomapur api ashvinos chavanahas swena tejasa. Somena, with the Som yajayan, causing to perform the sacrifice, Viram, the king, Sharyati, Graham, the full pot, Somasya of the Somrasya, also Agrahit, delivered, Asomapoho, who were not allowed to drink the Somras, Api, although Asvinoho, of the Aswini Kumaras, Chavana, Chavanmuni, Svena, his own Tejasa by prowess. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Chavan Muni, by his own prowess, enabled King Sharyati to perform the Som Yajna. So, Chavan Muni engaged King Sharyati only in doing this Som Yajna. The Muni offered a full pot of Som Rasa to the Ashwani Kumaras, although they were unfit to drink it. Okay. Hantum tam adade vajram sadyo manyur amarshitaha savajram istambhayam asa bhujam indrasya bhargavaha. Hantum, to kill, tam, him, Chavan, adade. Indra took up Vajram, his thunderbolt, Sadhya, immediately, Manu, because of great anger, without consideration, Amarshita, being very much perturbed, Sa Vajram, with the thunderbolt, Stambhayam, Asa, paralyzed, Bhujam, the arm, Indrasa of Indra, Bhargava, Chavanmuni, the descendant of Bhragu. King Indra, being perturbed and angry, wanted to kill Chavanmuni, and therefore he impatiently took up his thunderbolt, but Chavan Muni, by his powers, paralyzed Indra's arm that held the thunderbolt. So he was not a simple Muni, he was very powerful. Okay. Anvajanam satatah sarve graham somasya chasvinoh bhishajamiti yat purvam Soma Hutya Bahishkritau. Anvajanan, with their permission, Tataha, thereafter, survey all the demigod, Graham, a full pot, Somasya of Somrasya, also Aswina of the Aswini Kumaras, Bhishajau, although only physicians, Iti, thus, yet, because Purvam, before this, Soma Ahutya, with a share in the Som Yajna, Bahi Kritau, who had been disallowed or excluded. Although the Ashwini Kumaras were only physicians and were therefore excluded from the drinking Som Rasa in sacrifices, the demigods agreed to allow them henceforward to drink it. So finally it was allowed. Okay. Now here this thing is completed. Now 27 to 36, Revati marries Balramji. That is the section. So, Balramji, how his marriage happened with Revati. Uttan barhir anarto bhuri sena iti treyaha shrayater abhavan putra anartad revatov abhavat. Uttan barhi anartha bhurisena iti das tareyaha, three sharyate of King Sharyati abhavan were begotten putra sons. Anarthat, from Anartha, Revat Abhavat was born. King Sharyati begot three sons named Uttanbari, Anarth and Bhurishena. From Anarth came a son named Revat. सोऽन्तः समुद्रे नगरीं विनिर्माय कुशस्थलीम् आस्थितो भुङ्क्त विषयान् अनर्तादीन् अरिन्दमो तस्य पुत्रा शतं जज्ञे ककुद्मी ज्येष्ठम् उत्तमं सः रेवत्. Okay, so King Sharyati's son, three sons, Uttanbarhi, Anarth and Bhurishena. Anarth had a son named Revat. Okay, that's the dynasty. And then further in the 28th shloka, O Maharaj Parikshit, subduer of enemies, this Revat constructed a kingdom known as Kushasthali in the depth of the ocean. There he lived and ruled such tracts of land as Anartha, etc. He had 100 very nice sons, of whom the eldest was Kakudmi. Okay, so Revat Maharaj constructed a kingdom known as Kushasthali in the depth of the ocean, and there he was living, and he had hundreds of sons, and the first one was the Kakudmi. Okay. ककुद्मी रेवतीं कन्यां स्वाम आदाय विभुं गतः पुत्रया वरं परिपृष्टुं ब्रह्मलोकम् अपावृतं. Kakudmi, King Kakudmi, Revatim named Revati Kanyam, the daughter of Kakudmi, Swam, his own Adaya, taking Vibhum before Lord Brahma. Gataha, he went Putriya of his daughter Varam, a husband, Pariprishtum, to inquire about Brahmalokam. Brahmalok Apavritam, transcendental to three qualities. Taking his own daughter Revati, Kakudmi went to Lord Brahma in Brahmaloka. So Kakudmi's daughter is Revati. Okay, so he went to Lord Brahma in Brahmaloka, which is transcendental to the three modes of material nature, and inquired about a husband for her. So he went there and he said to Brahmaji, say, I am not able to find a suitable husband for my daughter, so please help me. Whom should I marry, my daughter? So it appears that Brahmaloka, the abode of Lord Brahma, is also transcendental above the three modes of material nature, apavritam. Okay, so Brahmaji's planet is not covered by actually Rajas and Tamas. Apavritam means that it is not covered by passion and ignorance. Okay, Bhum means Brahmaji. आवर्तमाने गांधर्वे स्थितो लब्ध क्षणक्षणं तद अंत आद्यम आनम्य स्वाभिपरायं न्यवेद्ययत्. Avartamane, because of being engaged Gandharve in hearing songs from Gandharvas, Sthita, situated alabdha chanaha, there was no time to talk. Chanam, even a moment, tat ante, when it ended, Adyam, unto the original teacher of the universe, Lord Brahma, Anamya, after offering obeisance, Swa Abhiprayam, his own desire, Nyavedya, Kakudmi submitted. When Kakudmi arrived there, Lord Brahma was engaged in hearing musical performance by the Gandharvas and had not a moment to talk with him. So he said, wait, because he was hearing music. Therefore, Kakudmi waited, and at the end of the musical performance, he offered his obeisances to Lord Brahma and there submitted his long-standing desire. Okay. Tachrutva Bhagavan Brahma Prahasya Tam Uvachaha Aho Rajan Niruddhaste Kalen Hridiye Kirtaha. That Shrutva, hearing Bhagavan, the most powerful Brahma, Lord Brahma, Prahasya, after laughing Tam unto King Kakudmi, Uvachaha said, Aho, alas, Rajan, O king, Niruddha, all gone, te, all of them, Kalena, by the course of time, Hridi, within the core of the heart, ye, all of them, Kritaha, who were being decided upon for acceptance as your son-in-law. So, Maharaja Kakudmi said to Brahma that, say, I came here for taking help because I am not able to find suitable husband for my daughter, so please help me. So this request he was having, but Brahmaji was hearing musical performance, so Brahmaji said, you wait. So he was waiting, and then after it is over, then he asked his query. So Brahmaji, after hearing his words, Lord Brahma, who is most powerful, laughed loudly, started laughing, and said to Kakudmi, O king, All those whom you may have decided within the core of your heart to accept as your son-in-law have passed away in the course of time. Everybody, because you came from some time, and here in Brahmaloka things are very small, but when you spend one moment here in Brahmaloka, in your place, 1 year is passed. So you were waiting here for a long time. So actually yugas, millenniums are passed there. All the people who were there in your mind, and you were planning to select among them your son-in-law, all those things, all those people are died now, finished, everything is finished. Now you are too away. Okay. Tat putra pautra naptrinam gotram chana shrnamahe kalo abhivyatastrinava chaturyuga vikalpitaha. That they are putra of the son's pautra of the grandson, napitrinam, and of the descendant, Gotrani, the family dynasty, also known as Shinmahe. We do hear of Kala, time, Abhiyataha, have passed 3, Nava, 9, Chaturyuga, 4 yugas. Satya, Treta, Dwapara, and Kali. Vikalpita, thus measured. 27 Chaturyugas have already passed. 27 Chaturyugas. That means you came in one yuga. So Chaturyuga means Satyuga, Treta, Dwapar, Kali. This is called one Chaturyuga. Like the 27 Chaturyugas have already passed. Those upon whom you may have decided are now gone, and not only they are gone, their sons, grandsons and other descendants, everybody is gone. You cannot even hear about their names. You are very late. During Lord Brahma's day, 14 Manus or 100 Mahayugas pass away. Brahma informed King Kakudmi that 27 Mahayugas, each consisting of the 4 periods Satya, Treta, Dwapara and Kali, had already passed. In Brahma's one day, 1000 Chaturyuga. Okay, so 27 already passed. Okay. All the kings and other great personalities born in those yugas had now departed from memory into obscurity. This is the way of the time as it moves through past, present and future. So it's very late finally. Now what to do? Tadagacha deva devamso baladevo mahabalaha kanya ratnam idam rajan naran ratnaya dehivo. Because, okay, question is why did Kakudmi did not pass? Kakudmi was in Brahmaji's lok, na? So their time is very slow, or you can say it's very big. He was there, he was waiting there in Brahmaji's lok. Okay. O king, Tadagacha deva devamso baladevo mahabalaha kanya ratnam idam rajan nararatnaya dehivo. Tad thereafter gacha yugo devdeva Amsa, whose planetary portion is Lord Vishnu, Baladeva, known as Baladev, Mahabalaha, the supreme power of Kanya Ratnam, your beautiful daughter, Idam, this Rajan, O king, Nararatnaya, and to the supreme personality of God, who is always youthful, Dehi, guests give to him in charity, O king. O king, so now the problem is that nobody is there, so Brahma is telling the solution also. O king, leave here and offer your daughter to Lord Baladev, who is still present. He is most powerful. Indeed, he is the supreme personality of Godhead, whose plenary portion is Lord Vishnu. Your daughter is fit to be given to him in charity. Okay, so now the operator is going on. Lord Balram, Krishna and Balram is already there, and Balramji is there. You can go and give your daughter in charity in marriage to Balramji. So giving daughter in charity means Kanyadan. Okay. भुवो भारावताराय भगवान भूत भावनः अवतीर्णो निजांशेन पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तनः. Bhuva of the world, Bhara Avataraya, to lessen the burden. Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhuta Bhavana, although the well-wisher of all the living entities, Avatirna, now he has descended, Nij Amshena, with all the paraphernalia that is part of him. Punya Shravana Kirtana, he is simply worshipped by hearing and chanting, by which one becomes purified. Lord Baldev is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One who hears and chants about him is purified. Lord Baladev is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and anybody hears and chant the glories of Lord Balaram, he is purified immediately. He is always the well-wisher of all living entities, Lord Balaramji. He has descended with all his paraphernalia to purify the entire world and lessen its burden. इति आदिष्टो अभिवन्द्याजं नृपः स्वापुरम् आगतः त्यक्तं पुण्यजनत्रासान् भ्रातृभिर्दिक्ष्व अवस्थितः इति. Thus Adishta, being ordered by Lord Brahma, Adivandya, after offering obeisances ajam unto Lord Brahma, Nirpa, the king, Swapuram, to his own residence, Agata, returned Tyaktam, which was vacant, Punyajan of higher living entities, Trasad, because of their fear, Bhratribhi, by his brothers, Dikshu in different directions, Avasthitaha, who were residing. Having received this order from Lord Brahma, Kakudmi offered obeisances unto him and returned to his own residence. He then saw that his residence was vacant, having been abandoned by his brothers and other relatives, who were living in all directions because of fear of such higher living beings as the Yakshas. Sutan dattavanavadyangim balaya balashaline badriyakhyam gato raja taptum narayana shramam. Sutam, his daughter Dattva, after delivering Anvadya Angim, having a perfect body, Balaya unto Lord Baladev, Balashaline unto the most powerful, the supreme powerful, Badari Akhyam, named Badrikashram, Gataha, he went Raja, the king Taptum, to perform a Shri Narayan Ashramam, to the place of Narnarayan. Therefore the king gave his most beautiful daughter in charity to the supremely powerful Baladev, and then retired from worldly life and went to Badrikashram to please Narnarayan. So actually, because Revati, daughter of Kakudmi, she was very tall because she was from Satyuga. So when Kakudmi offered to Balramji is too height. I am from Dwapar Yuga, she is from Satyuga, so much height, because in Satyuga people were very tall. They will live 1 lakh years. In Treta Yuga they will live 10,000 years, and the height will reduce little. Age also reduce. Everything will reduce. Dwapar Yuga more, 1,000 years only, and age is also, height is also reduced. Satyuga only 100 years, and age is 100, and size length is 5 feet, 4 feet. Now even 3 feet people are. Okay, 3 feet is even 3 feet, 4 feet is maximum for girls, general case. So everything is getting reduced. Okay. So height was too much. So then Baldevji used his power and made Revati short, same height, and then they married. So that was the story of marriage of Lord Balaramji with Revati. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports of the 9th canto, 3rd chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled The Marriage of Sukanya and Chavan Muni. Okay. Now, chapter 4, Amrish Maharaj offended by Durvasha Muni. This is a very important section. Okay. So, we will start it tomorrow, and it's a big section also and very important. Amrish Maharaj is one of the very great pure devotee of Krishna. Okay. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Shri Prabhupada ki jai, Grantaraj, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Anant Koti Vaishnava ki jai. If you have any question, any comment, you can ask. Hare Krishna.